Welcome back our amazing viewers. Today we're back with a different tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to repair SMD bulbs that seems burnt out using just a few simple tools and reuse them for a while. Generally, for modern SMD bulbs, which have become quite common recently, there are three main types of issues that can prevent them from lighting up. The first and most common one, happening in about 70% of cases, is when one of the SMD chips in the circuit burns out. Since the internal connections of these bulbs are wired in series, if one chip fails, the other won't light up either. The second issue, which occurs in about 20% of cases, is a fault in the bulb circuit. The third issue is a burnt transformer. The last two are usually not worth repairing due to their complexity and higher risk. However, if your bulb has the first and most common issue, you can easily fix it and keep using it for some time. The tools we need for this repair are an old and dull fruit knife, a small or medium-sized wire cutter, a marker, solder wire, a soldering iron, a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery connector, a faulty bulb, and finally a bulb tester. I've explained how to make the bulb tester in a separate video. The link is available above. Now let's get into the tutorial. First, we need to separate the bulb cover from its body. Insert the edge of the fruit knife into the gap between the bulb and the body. Press gently inward and rotate it around the bulb to loosen the glue. Then remove the cover and set it aside. Next, place the bulb into a socket so that you can work on its circuit board more easily. Connect the battery clip to the battery, making sure the polarity is correct, and use the two free wires to test each SMD chip on the board. Since some boards don't mark positive and negative terminals, you'll need to test both sides of each SMD to confirm whether it's working properly. Continue testing one by one until you find the defective SMD. Mark the faulty one with a marker. Now remove the bulb from the socket and use the wire cutter to detach the top section until you reach the metal contacts of positive and negative poles inside. Clean them slightly. Next, we'll connect these two points together. To do that, place the bulb back into the socket for easier handling. Tighten the tip of the soldering iron slightly, then use soldering to connect the two small metal parts together. Once connected, it's time to test the bulb. Plug the tester into the outlet. If the bulb lights up, it means the connection is successful. Now we need to put the bulb cover back on. Remove the bulb from the socket. Place the cover vertically onto its body. Press gently until it snaps into place, and then test it again. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others to support us. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.